Gentlemen, have a seat, have a seat, have a seat. Everybody have a seat.
Siéntense todos.
All right, everybody, this is what I like to call a you problem tonight. This is not your mother's problem, your grandmother's problem, your baby mama's problem. This is all a you problem. So you need to pay attention. This is not Helen's House of Hair. I don't want anybody, twisting their hair, mashing their pimples, looking outside, anything like that. I need you to pay attention. I understand.
In Judge McNally's court, we have a 14-year-old defendant charged with THC use under the age of 18 years old and possession of a THC pen under the age of 18 years old. Here we see concerned Judge Dad go into complete dad mode. Minor's identity will be concealed throughout this video. Thank you for watching, and let's get into the video.
This is 23W31699.
Run.
Caldwell, your name, Haven Caldwell?
Hi. Say my name. What's my
Talk
name?
to me, Ms. Caldwell. Yes, ma'am.
Hi.
What is your name?
Haven Caldwell.
How old are you?
14.
14?
Mm-hmm.
Tell me, officer, your name?
Officer Ryan Zimmers.
What are you fooling? What are you going to do with this, officer?
This was, I'm in the school resource officer position. The school is requesting and my son just do a local ordinance ticket on the marijuana vape. We had to reissue the citation. I know we had a mishap before due to another reason, being our ordinance wasn't adopted. So this ordinance is marijuana use under 18. She was caught within the school with a marijuana vape with the marijuana cartridge on her. And now we issued the citation.
So you want her to plead to that or have a hearing? Is that what you're telling me?
I would like her to plead to that. I know, I think I spoke with her mother. Her mother said she got her into the guidance center and was under the understanding that if she completed the guidance center that it could be dropped. I'm unsure whether she has went through it or not. She said she does have paperwork for it.
Are you going, let me stop you. Are you going to the guidance center, young lady?
I've been over with the program, but I went through the whole program, yes, for 3 months.
Wait a minute, slow down. I can only hear from one of you now. You said you went over, wait a minute, slow down. Did you finish the program?
Yes.
How many hours was that?
It was for 3 months, and then you had 20 hours of.
Who is, hang on. Who is that talking? I can't see her. Pardon? Mom, I'm just going to address the questions to your daughter right now. Can you tell me your name, please?
Yes, Alexis Stovall.
Okay, let's go back to Ms. Caldwell. Ms. Caldwell, can you send proof that you completed that program right now to the court? Can you send that to us, email that to us?
I just set mine.
You want to write down? I need you to write it down. Can you take it down? Here, I'll take down the email on my phone. But yeah, I have the paperwork right here for you.
Why don't you send it over? Can you send it over to us?
The paper, you want us to send like a picture?
Well, let me see whatever you got. If you can pull that up to the phone, if you,
It's right here.
you can put that completion document up to the phone and take a picture, I can check it out.
Okay.
And then you and I are going to have a little conversation here.
Okay.
Raven, you might have to get that orange, your orange folder from over there. They just do us the same way.
Could you give us a moment, please? We need some paper.
Hey, guys, I don't mean to be rude here, but I got other cases. Do you have it handy or don't you?
Not like that. Get the folder here now. So we'll email it.
We'll just email it.
All right, I'm going to go on. Hang on. I'm gonna go on to another, listen to me, both of you, please. Ms. Stovall, Ms. Caldwell, stop walking around a second. I'm gonna ask you to mute yourself. You go around, do what you have to do to get that paper. Officer, just be patient a couple minutes. I'll come right back to this as soon as we get that. You're going to email it to Lisa.
Thank you.
Is Haven Caldwell still there? Have we gotten anything? Lisa, probably not, huh?
Yes, I have this paper, but would you want us to?
Ladies, wait a minute. Wait a minute. I gotta be able to see that. Maybe, let's recall the case. Haven, Alexis Caldwell, 23W31699. Let me see your sheet here, ma'am. State your name again and put it up there nice and close.
Haven Caldwell.
Now get that nice and close. Completed successfully is tacked there.
Yes.
All right, good enough. What, officer, your name again?
Officer Ryan Zimmers.
What do you want to do with this?
Sir, I would be fine with giving her one final warning, and if it comes again, we follow through with full charges.
Ms. Caldwell, what are your grades like?
I have
Look at me, talk to me, look at me. Don't look at the ceiling.
I have 3 E's and I have 2 and 3 E's. And the rest are B's.
Did you say 3 A's or 3 E's?
I have 3 or 2 E's. I think they went up. I don't know yet, but and the rest of my grades are C's and B's.
Young lady, E's? You got to try to get an E in high school, don't you?
To try to get an E?
E, you're saying E is an elephant, right?
Yes.
Well, how are you getting E's? You're not trying.
I know I have
Ms. Stovall, come in here, please.
Yes, Your Honor.
So you can understand why I'm concerned about her, right?
Yes.
What is she doing? She's fooling around with marijuana. She's hardly going to school. If she is, she's not paying attention. She doesn't care. You can't otherwise get E's. She's smarter than that, the way she's talking. She's going to end up not being able to get a job at McDonald's when she's 28. Right. What is going on with her?
Well, I know that she doesn't smoke weed because one of their requirements was that you had to drug test them every
She's carrying it around with her. She's not carrying it around with her for looks. Let's not kid ourselves here.
Right. But she wasn't, she doesn't smoke, sir. I think she was, Your Honor, caught with
what is she carrying it around for? It's like a guy carrying around golf clubs that doesn't golf. I don't get it. What do you mean?
I was under the impression it was found in her locker.
Where'd you find this, Officer Zimmers?
It was stored in her locker.
How many locker mates does she have?
The school rules, you're supposed to have 0.
All right, so she's got 0 locker mates. Does she have a combination to that locker? Young lady, come on in front of me again.
You have a combination change?
I do have a combination, but ever since then, because somebody had my combination put their stuff in my bag, I had my locker changed and the combination changed.
All right, listen, this is part of a bigger problem here. I don't believe that you're not using it. He's asking me, Judge, just issue a warning to her. I'm fine with that. I really am. But I'm telling you, there is a correlation between use and abuse of drugs and involvement in the criminal justice system. And you, young lady, are here at an awful early age. You're 14? 14? Yes. I have to tell you, I don't know that I've had anybody in front of me 14 before. We can handle civil infractions for those under 18. We can't handle misdemeanors any longer for those under 18. For the longest time, it was you were considered an adult at 17 until they changed that about a year and a half ago or so. But even drivers, I don't have 14-year-old drivers come in front of me. You might have the distinct honor of being the youngest person that's ever been in front of me. That is not a good start. So whoever you're hanging with, let's assume one of your friends that had the com put that in there. Let's make that assumption. Okay. You aren't exactly hanging out with the choir boys. I'm serious. I am serious. This is not about me. It's your life. I see this kind of thing, and when they start early, they never stop. There's no reason for you to be playing around with marijuana, and there's no reason for you to have ease.
Well, my grade in math is really sharp.
Well, you got to try.
I know.
But you know your
You
grades.
got to try. Nobody said these things were easy. Nothing's easy. But listen, you want to be able to make a living someday. You're not going to be able to do that if you don't graduate high school. If you're 14 and you've got 2 or 3 E's and you're not sure how many, I think it's safe to say you're in trouble. Really. Try harder. I'm going to go ahead and dismiss your case. Please stay away from that. Good luck. And you're moving to dismiss, right, officer?
Yes, sir. Thank you, Your Honor.
Case dismissed. Come on now, Ms. Caldwell. He's going to be watching you. I don't want to see you in here again unless you come for law day or you're a juror down the road someday, okay? Good luck. Thank you.